Eto na mga boss, kakapasok lang na balita. Grabe si Marcoleta, napahiya. Iginante si PBBM ni Lacson. Nayanig dito ang Senado. Tumistigo na si General. Base sa impormasyong nakalap natin sa social media, mismong si Senator Ping Lacson nang sumita kay Senador Rodante Marcoleta matapos niyang siraan si dating Pangulong Marcos Sr. patungkol sa ginawang pagkakadiskubre at pagkakaukupan ng Kalayaan Group of Pailan. Nakipagtalo na naman kasi si Marcoleta sa general matapos malamang kaanak sila ni Thomas Cloma, ang tinuturo ni Ping Lacson na nakadiskubre sa Kalayaan Group of Pailan, kung saan pinagtatanggol ni Marcoleta ang KIGI sa China. Kaya pinagtulungan si Marcoleta ni Lacson at Ontiveros, nagulat dito ang China. Kaya ito, sabay-sabay nating panoorin kung paano si Senador Rodante Marcoleta grabe napahiya. Iginante si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. ni Senator Ping Lacson. Nayanig dito ang Senado, tumistigo na si General. Tara, panoorin natin to.
Oh, Honorable, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Honorable
Mr. Chairman,
Lacson.
not to the gentleman seated in front, but Colonel Jacqueline Cloma.
Yes, Brigadier General. You're now excused. Ma'am, please take the seat.
Good morning, ma'am. I guess Corpus is your maiden name. So is your husband a direct descendant of Thomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, happens to be a great grandson.
Great
Oh.
grandson.
Yes, sir, but that his mother's mother is cousin of Thomas Cloma, sir.
Yeah. Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group.
Yes, sir.
That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, Honorable Marcoleta.
anong pangalan niya?
Jacqueline.
Anong,
Colonel.
Colonel Cloma.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to the descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered the what? Kalayaan Island Group or
Kalayaan
this
Island
press
Group.
release? Was that supported by reliable accounts, Colonel?
Sir, before I will speak, sir, I'd just like to make a disclaimer that my statement will not reflect of my organization. So this will be my personal account, sir, and based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir. So
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. I'm talking about historical accounts, if they are very viable, that the great ancestor of your husband was the one who discovered the Kalayaan Island Group. Is
um,
this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know, Madam, that, Colonel, that when Mr. Thomas Cloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956, several countries objected because, well, several countries like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, and France.
Yes. Did you know that these countries objected to his declaration?
Yes, sir.
And there is a common ground, Colonel, why they objected. Do you know what the ground is?
May you please enlighten me, sir, on that?
Yes. Because according to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's silent, sir.
it is not
Wait lang mga boss, kung nakaabot na kayo sa part ng video na to, baka gusto nyo munang mag-subscribe sa bago nating YouTube channel. Doon na kasi tayo mag-upload ng mga reaction videos. Nakapin sa comment section ang link. I-click nyo lang para makapag-subscribe. Pag nakapag-subscribe na kayo, i-comment nyo lang ang location nyo para ma-shoutout ko kayo pag nag-upload na tayo doon ng video. Tara, tuloy na natin to.
occupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya po, Colonel, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that he discovered it, because several other discoverers prior to his time. Do you know that in 1837, the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? Did you know that, madam? And in 1933, the Japan also made the same notice of claim, 1933. Prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Kloma in 1956, Japan already made a notice of claim. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. Do you know the representative of the Philippine government at that time when the objection was made? Alam po ninyo? He was then the Secretary of Foreign Affairs who became President of this country. So, hindi po talaga pwede na siya yung nag-discover, madam, on those grounds. And it is not correct that earlier it was reflected in the minutes of this commission, that President Ferdinand Marcos Sr. formalized it in Presidential Decree 1596. There is no record attesting to that. And there is no record also, Mr. Chair, that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record, Colonel, Mr. Chair. As for the record, thank you very much.
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Honorable Marcoleta.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Honorable Lacson is
Colonel
recognized.
Kloma, what is the difference between discovery and occupation? Is there a difference? You may discover an island, but if you don't occupy it, then you don't occupy it. So can you tell us the basic difference between discovery per se
Yes.
and discovery and occupation?
So based on my apprehension, sir. So once you discover something, sir, you just learn about it, and then you can just pass by, sir. Yes, sir. That's the term. And once you occupying is a different thing, sir, because you spend a lot of time, a certain period of time in that certain area. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Honorable Lacson. Any more queries from the members? We may now excuse Colonel Kloma, Jacqueline Kloma.
I will, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Colonel. Any more queries from the members? If we have no more, Honorable Risa Ontiveros.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Also, before my next question, also just for the record, since we are making things of record, the 2016 arbitral ruling, Philippines versus China, concluded that China's 9-dash line has no legal basis for claiming historic rights to resources within Philippine waters, including areas of the Kalayaan Island Group. The tribunal ruled in favor of the Philippines, clarifying that China's claims violate UNCLOS. For the record also, Mr. Chair.
Ngayon, ikaw bilang Pilipino, ano ang masasabi mo at reaksyon sa balitang ito? Mag-iwan ka ng komento mo sa ibaba at atin pong babasahin isa-isa.